Hey guys, wow, did we get quite an overwhelming, for me anyway, response on our sweet potatoes. Today I thought it might be quite fun to do a bit of a taste test. So I'm thinking of doing them two different ways, both fried, I'm afraid. One sort of like a potato crisp, and then one as a hot chip, if you will. So I'm just going to remeasure the sweet potato to remind myself of just how heavy this one was, and then see if I can cut around some of the damage. This one wasn't actually too bad. It seems to only have had 1 or 2 nibbles from those horrible lawn grubs, and I see that they have already started sprouting, which is telling me that I probably shouldn't leave this any longer. All right, let's take a look at how much this bad boy weighs. 678 grams. Not too shabby. All right, I'm gonna get this scrubbed up and then start processing it. I've gotta say, beautiful. Just look at that gorgeous purple color. So this was a purple variety, and they really came up really well. Yeah, I'm pretty keen to taste. Okay, so I've processed my sweet potato. It has actually given me quite a lot of chips. So as you would have seen, I did 2 types. This really thin, fine cut to make a sort of like crisp. And then I've done your sort of traditional fry. I must be honest, I've actually never cooked sweet potatoes this way before. I've only ever really done them as some sort of mash. So this is going to be interesting and most certainly a bit of a learning curve for me. So if you have any tips and tricks, please pop them in the comments below on your favorite ways to eat sweet potatoes. That I have fried have come out looking amazing, just like a real crisp. I've just got them resting on a bit of paper towel just to try and get rid of that excess oil, and all I'm going to do is add some normal salt, rosemary leaves and some garlic powder, just for a bit of flavor. That's Blue in the background. If you can hear some meowing, it is getting close to his dinner time. Okay, so there you have it. That is our sweet potato crisp. I'm going to give it a little taste. It is so good. Wow. I highly recommend the garlic if you are a fan of garlic. That garlic powder is delicious on here. Wow. This is going to be an absolute treat later. So I have given my fries a 5-minute parboil in the microwave just to help them along a bit. And I am going to be coating them with some corn flour, more garlic powder, sweet paprika, and some onion salt, just to give them a bit of crunch and flavor. Well, there you have it, guys. Our sweet potato fries are done. Now for the taste test. They're pretty hot, so hopefully I don't burn myself. These are darn good. I've never been a huge fan of sweet potato because they're not actually potato. But these are really delicious, so whew, yum. Well, I think that was pretty successful. So out of that one giant sweet potato, we managed to get fries, probably enough for 3 people, but we're only 2. And we managed to get some crisps for a bit of late night snacking tonight. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. We've still got 3 potatoes left. I will probably keep 1 and let it sprout so that we can plant some more. And then the others, I guess, do some more cooking experimenting and see what we can come up with. If you like this video, guys, please consider liking and subscribing. Otherwise, catch you on the next one.